think I look ugly, don't you? I don't want you to leave me. It hurts right here, like a big rock. You're the only one that listens, Kai. Please stay my best friend forever. Even when I'm sad, you make it feel lighter. I love you, buddy.
Max, look at me. You can't steal cookies off the table. That's naughty, okay? No, those eyes won't work. You know the rules. It's okay. You're still my good boy. Just no more cookies, all right? There we go. Good pup. I forgive you.